Hello everyone. How many times have you found yourself endlessly scrolling through social media, only to feel drained and unfulfilled afterward? Social media is a powerful tool that connects us to the world, but without mindful use, it can lead to negative consequences. Today, we'll explore how to use social media mindfully to enhance our lives rather than detract from them. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the concept of mindful social media use. Identify the benefits of using social media mindfully. Implement strategies to practice mindfulness on social media. Let's start by defining what it means to use social media mindfully. Understanding mindful social media use. Definition of mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present and aware of your actions and their effects on your well-being. It means engaging with social media intentionally, rather than out of habit or compulsion. The impact of mindful use. Mindful use of social media can reduce anxiety and feelings of inadequacy. It allows you to focus on meaningful interactions and content that enriches your life, rather than draining your energy. Story. Amelia, a college student, felt overwhelmed by the constant comparison on social media. After curating her feed to include positive, uplifting content and limiting her usage, she found herself feeling more positive and less anxious. Strategies to practice mindfulness on social media. Set intentions. Before you open a social media app, set a clear intention for why you're using it. Are you looking to connect with friends, get inspired, search for something, or learn something new? Example. Andrew set an intention to use social media for 20 minutes to catch up with friends and find new recipes. This helped him stay focused and avoid getting lost in endless scrolling. Limit usage. Use built-in features or third-party apps to limit your social media usage. Setting time limits helps prevent overuse and encourages you to engage in other activities. Story. Margaret used her phone's screen time feature to limit her social media use to 30 minutes per day. This small change allowed her to reclaim time for reading and exercising, which she enjoyed more. Curate your feed. Be selective about who you follow and what content you consume. Choose accounts that educate and bring positivity to your life. Example. Kimberly unfollowed accounts that made her feel inadequate or stressed and followed more accounts that shared educational content and positive messages. This made her social media experience much more enjoyable. Comment on posts. Focus on engaging with content that adds value. Leave thoughtful comments, share meaningful posts, and avoid mindlessly liking or sharing content. Story. Stephen started leaving thoughtful comments on posts he found valuable instead of just liking them. This practice made his social media interactions more meaningful and rewarding. Assignment. Pair up with a friend as social media detox buddies. Support each other in taking a 48-hour break from social media and exchange daily check-ins and encouragement. Write a joint reflection on your experiences. For further reading, I recommend 10 Arguments for Deleting Your Social Media Accounts Right Now by Jaron Lanier.